Hello and welcome to this introduction to the University of Maryland's library website. There's a lot of useful information here, but let's focus on the parts that will be the most important for you. There are two main features we will focus on in this video: the library search engine and the research port. First, notice that the search bar is featured prominently in the middle of the screen. But now notice all the different features that surround it. The WorldCat label means that it's a meta search engine, pulling from many different sources from around the world. Notice that the buttons above the search bar and this drop-down menu offer different limiters for your search. uBorrow, for example, searches for books in all the research libraries in the Big Ten. And then you could request one to be delivered to a library of your choice on campus for pickup. The Classic Catalog searches in the University of Maryland libraries, only in the state of Maryland. Or by using the drop-down menu, for example, you could just see what's in the Michelle Smith Performing Arts Library. Now scroll down a little bit to the Quick Links section. The Research Port link will be one of the most important places you will go to find research for your academic work. After selecting UMD College Park from the populated list, this list includes all the other universities associated with the Maryland system. After you click on College Park, you will be directed to enter your authentication information. And now you are in Research Port. Before we look at the subject category list, if you do have a specific article in mind and you know the proper information, you can go directly to this box to find it. But if not, click on See All Categories, and it opens up. Scroll down to Education, and then you see these different lists. But for now, let's just look at all databases. And you can see all the different databases that they've grouped together that have educational resources that you may need. Here, for example, you can directly find dissertations and theses. It links to ProQuest, which we'll talk about later. Or what you could do, which is something I recommend, go here to this link, cross-search multiple databases. And here, you can choose what you want, but also you'll be able to start applying what you've learned in sections 1 and 2 of this Canvas site. And then later, you will build on that knowledge with what you learned from sections 3, 4, and 5. In the next video, we'll be showing how the library guides and the education guides have grouped together some of the most helpful education links for you. But until then, good luck.